Hey guys, Lawson from Neilo Equipment. We are out here today with the B3150 Tractor Grader on a driveway job. Let's show you around. So as the name would suggest, it is a tractor grader. It means we take a base Kubota machine and then we add the blade in the middle as a grader. So compact grading applications, leveling applications, that sort of thing is where this machine will shine. Moving along is our masterpiece, the 1.8 metre four-way blade. We have up and down movement and the angle movement. Further features of this blade include a fully reversible cutting edge, which means that edge there gets worn, you can flip it around, use the other edge. So double the lifespan, unlike some machines out there where you only have the one usable edge. On the back of the moldboard we also have the GPS pole mounts, where you can put your laser poles on there for machine control and guidance. Also on the back of this moldboard we have our mounts for our winglets. So we have the winglets that will sit straight out here for carrying material and moving material around site. Moving further underneath we have our large rams and beefy structure. This is all very, very well built stuff, engineered to the highest quality. And we have serviceable pins and full grease points around the machine. This means that you won't have parts that consist of polyurethane bushings or bronze bushings on higher stress components. It's all greasable, all serviceable, which means you'll get a longer service life out of your machine. Controlling our 1.8 metre blade is our three levers here. These are hydraulic levers. You've got your angle, backwards and forth, that will go either way, 22.5 degrees of blade movement. And then the other two levers we have here is our left lift and right lift. So you can do both, you can do individual lift, or you can pull them both back or both down at the same time to get that synchronized movement. We commonly get asked if our machines still have the four-wheel drive capability. Well, to answer that, they do, and the lever is situated right here. With a simple pull back, it will engage four-wheel drive. We don't recommend using this on sealed surfaces as it will scrub the front tyres out, but for loose surfaces it's absolutely ideal and will provide you the extra bit of grip that you need to grade. These tractor graders are powered by a 31 horsepower naturally aspirated diesel motor. Very simple, very reliable and easy to maintain. Power is shuffled through a 3-speed hydrostatic gearbox. Now on the left of your seat you have a lever selecting high range, medium range or low range. The low range has a ratio of 2.77 to 1, the medium has a 1.66 to 1 and the high range is 1 to 1, which means your lowest range will give you a very, very, very slow crawl, ideal for those jobs where you got to cut material. Your high range is often for running around the yard, just smoothing material over quickly, and your medium is just an all-round good speed. Further on here we have our turf tyres all around. These are suited for softer material, so sand, dirt, smaller, softer, finer material. The coarse stuff, not so much. What people also don't realise about these tyres is we actually fill these with water for better weight. So the whole machine weighs in at 1.3 tonne, but with the optimal distribution of the weight and the blade being centred in the machine, you get a lot of weight and downforce to cut and move that dirt. What people also don't realise about our machines is that we leave that 3-point linkage and PTO untouched. So that means if you use a ripper, scarifier, slasher or any other 3-point linkage attachment, it will go straight on there without a drama. If you're using this machine for slashing or ripping and you don't want to be grading at the same time, pull that blade up out of the way and you're done. Thank you for watching. Trust this has provided some valuable insight into what sets the Neilo tractor graders apart. And if there's anything that you don't know and you want to know, we are only one call away. I'm off to grade.